This is my definition of I review of the keys. Um, there are two keys recordings here. The second is the whole track, but the first is just this intro bit. But they are the same otherwise. So what I did to the keys is added an EQ, a noise gate, and a compressor. That was it, because the keys were recorded using a Nord Stage 3, which has a variety of um, sort of sounds and synthesizers and sort of things like that. So you can create a wide variety of sounds. And so this whole part it's not just one sound, it's sort of a combination of different sounds. And so I didn't really affect anything because the sound is already there, but I just sort of gave it just sort of a general kind of polish, if you will. So I added an EQ of synth lead here. It just sort of increases the highs, just to elevate the track a little bit, and then just sort of takes off, that bottom end that's not really needed. Um, and I also added a noise gate just to remove any unwanted sound. So if any sort of form of clicking or it'll tss, tss, sort of sounds kind of like that or something like that is coming through, it just cleans that out, which is good. I also added a compressor as well. I used a Type U electric piano preset originally, and it's not compressed loads. It's only 2.1. I could always increase it to about 2.3. Um, and actually, it's the makeup's fairly low, -6.5. But it just what it does, it just kind of allows the sound to sort of stick together a bit better, and just sort of creates the overall sound as being one as a whole, which I think was good. So generally, I didn't really have to do anything for this. I just sort of polished it up, and this is as its own track purely because it's kind of the intro section on its own. So I wanted to have this sort of separate so that I can sort of manipulate it on its own, and leave this as it is, as this is the just the intro bit. But that is the overall track, and for the keys, that's about it really.